is up, boys? We're gonna go cruise over to In-N-Out, grab some food, meet 2 of my buddies there. I don't know what we're gonna do after. We shall see. You know I gotta give you guys a little bit of sauce. I can't go too hard in the car because the transmission's not all the way warmed up yet, but when I do a pull, I'll make sure to get it on camera, don't worry. It's a little weird and honestly probably not very safe to be driving with my left hand on the right hand side of the steering wheel, but hey man, someone's got to hold the camera and that person is me. All right, we've made it to In-N-Out. Let's go see what they're doing. It looks like they're already here. There's his car over there. So let's go grub. Dude, hit a fucking trick, dude.
You hit a trick? All right.
I believe in you, bro. That was crazy.
Oh!
That was pretty crazy. That was pretty crazy. That was pretty crazy. That was pretty crazy.
Oh, and you got the lighthouse. That's
there we go.
Oh,
man, he lost you there.
It's like, dude.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Oh, we went to check out a fire.
Oh, in Austin?
Yeah.
Oh, you hit something. What was that?
That was crazy.
I wasn't even paying attention.
That was crazy. That was a border balance juggle spike. Bro, I just did this first try.
That's pretty sick. Ooh. No way you had, dude. He actually hit 2 in a row. That was nuts, bro.
You really want to watch me eat this meat sandwich, dude?
Dude, I'm sorry, but just meat and cheese, dude. Like I can't do that, bro. I'm also not eating because I already ate.
Are you gonna tell your viewers how you drove all the way here just to watch us eat?
Yeah, I did drive. I know I drove all the way here for a root beer.
I told you he needs to spend money some way, shape, or form every day.
I need to go outside and spend money every day because if you don't spend your money, you have no incentive to make more.
When I called you, I knew you'd say yes. Well, I know it's because you'd just be down in general, but it's because I was like, I know you're always down to spend money, no matter.
That's not my name, bro. That's not my name.
Alan, you have to censor it.
Yeah, I'm censoring that out.
You'll show all of our faces and all of our names, but you won't show his face.
No, I can't show my face because I was speeding, but also he was speeding.
And I was.
And he was, and they're on the. You know what? But it's just for my sake.
Literally my bare face going, dude, I should 140.
He's got to blow into his DUI device, guys.
He's got mommy's money, but I'm mommy.
Oh, that's kind of funny, bro. This is a nice Camaro, dude. Yeah, boys, we're gonna head out. I don't know if we're gonna do anything. I think he's going home. Get some thumping in your trunk there, pal. There's people living right behind your car. Just turn it up, dude. Imagine trying to sleep right now. All right, so what are we gonna do, bro? What are we gonna do? We gotta do something, man. I want to race this guy so bad. We just talked to this guy, but I don't think he wants to run it. All right, guys, here is the game plan. We are going to go to a spot to take flicks of the cars. Get a little spicy right there. She's loud, boys. She's loud.
Show yours off, bro.
Oh yeah, I did get sequentials, bro. Let's see. Yours definitely look better. I will already tell you that, but you can still see it sequential.
Oh, yeah.
The black housing on these does look a lot better. It makes like the orange pop on the sequential more. Yeah, because like mine. I don't know.
Good.
Anyways, boys, we made it to the spot. I just posted on my Snapchat and I asked if anyone wanted to race. So hopefully, fingers crossed, tonight someone hits us up. But I don't know.
I can't.
Tonight is not a movie, bro.
20 minutes. My GPS says 20 minutes. I'm fucking
Okay.
out of the house. Right
Well, we're like 10 or 15 out. So low key, by the time you get there, we'll be there at the same time. Just meet at the parking lot. Go to like the back area of the parking lot. Let's get it. Guys, the Camaro from earlier is literally right here. I'm so mad he didn't want to race me, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. we have made it to the spot. My buddy TJ is gonna meet up with us over here pretty soon, and then I'm gonna give him a ride in my car, and hopefully we get a good reaction out of him. He did ride in this car before, but it was on 93, and the air was also 100 degrees out, so the conditions are more favorable. There's a purple Jaguar. Listen to that.
That sounds terrible.
I think his valves are
It smells
closed.
like a fucking poop fart can.
I think his valves are closed.
hope
That's why.
so.
Yeah, if that's the actual. It sounds like you're literally just
when
like.
you're 16 and you put fireworks in the trash can. That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, guys, it was like a purple wrapped Jaguar or something. I couldn't get a good angle of it because he like just left, but
See an M4 over there.
let's go check it out, dude. M-rated. Pretty nice M4. I love those rims, by the way. He has bucket seats too.
Oh yeah.
Those are really nice. Let's see what else we can find. Yeah, we got another M4 right here, boys. It's just bone stock. The rims are not the best,
Bro, you
but
got this eBay lit, bro.
bro, this is like holy mother of sun damage. This guy's not of a garage. Z4 M40i. This is basically like a convertible Supra, if you really think about it. I'm pretty sure this has a B58 in it. It's like a matte finish too. That's not a bad roadster, bro. Pretty cool. Say hello to the camera, bro.
What up?
Okay, we can't say that.
Let's get some motherfucking pulls for the fellas. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. Look at this car sounds so insane.
Okay, we gotta find like a good, solid like straightaway, you know? Which, given that it's not too late, might be a bit of a issue. Also, like not getting pulled over
True.
is probably one of our main goals here.
If we get pulled over, I'll shoot the cops. Let's go. Oh my god. Fuck yeah.
Holy shit! We're hauling ass, baby! I'm gonna take a turn out of here and I'll just like step on it like from a slow speed.
I'm gonna film it here too. Let's fucking go, baby.
That was pretty fast. All right, boys, we're gonna pull over, probably stop at a gas station real quick. Nate's gonna grab his bike and we'll meet up with him in a minute. But right now it's just me and TJ. And yeah, boys, we'll see what we're gonna do here in a sec.
5 minutes later.
We're at the house full of bikes, the 3 motorcycles. And my boy Nate is gonna grab his bike and show TJ. What's he saying? Hello?
He's coming. I think he woke up 3.8 seconds ago. So.
Dude, you know what time it is right now? Oh, I don't have my watch on me. It's probably like 10 o'clock at night. He just woke up.
9:55.
That's crazy, bro. TJ, this bike for a 500 is like the best 500 you can buy, basically.
Fuck yeah. Is it loud?
No. It's got this slip-on Akrapovic exhaust.
All right, boys. Nate's gonna head out on his bike. We're probably gonna follow him, go for a quick cruise. So, yep. Let's go hop in the Whipperooski, bro. Oh my God.
Dude, you can feel it spinning the whole time there.
Bro, I'm gonna send it at the stop sign, bro.
Fuck yeah. Oh my god, bro. Woo. Holy shit. Going up the hill, my fucking organs were moving.
You boys getting Cindy back?
That was,
That was crazy.
we were losing a little bit of traction there, I'll tell you what. Oh, dude, here we go, TJ, you ready? Slow down. Woo.
That was
My eardrum just got fucking
holy fuck.
Sounds so good, bro. It sounds so good. Is that a cop sitting down there? Like blue light? Yeah, I don't think it is.
Oh my god, bro.
goes the infamous TJ Moskal, man.
20 minutes later.
You look like so Mr. Aura out here, bro. Holy aura, dude. Okay. Dude, this thing does look so good, bro.
You get the slip on and you just like, like this.
On the slip-on exhaust, you guys can probably tell, but oh, the camera is picking that up. It's like the carbon like shifting basically. She's dirty, but man, you can't beat this rear end, by the way, guys. Like the GT500 rear diffuser and the wing, chrome tips, crazy ass plate, clear taillights. I mean, it's just the best combo, bro. Oh yeah, that's thumbnail right here, man.
Bro, you got the fucking dingling.
What is that, bro?
Bro, he gave me a peace sign, bro.
Dude, what is that? All right, boys, so that was really fun. We got to go to In-N-Out, hang out with some friends, pick up TJ, give him a ride, and then cruise around some really nice roads. And yeah, boys, that's basically about it. Hopefully in the future, maybe in a couple of days, I want to do a video going over like E85 and what it's like to actually own this car on E85, because so far it's, you know, mixed opinions, but hopefully the next video you guys see will be about that topic. But otherwise, boys, it's been fun.
Remember to drink water and subscribe.
Remember, I'm a small creator. I don't have many subscribers. Anything helps, whether it's a like, a comment, or subscribing. But yeah, boys, have a blessed night. Peace out.